Looking for a new phone that won't break the bank? The Samsung Galaxy M16 might just be the perfect fit. With a powerful camera, huge battery, and sleek design, let's dive into what makes this phone a must-see. In today's video, we're going to explore the Samsung Galaxy M16. We'll cover everything from its specs to what you can expect when it hits the market. So, stick around. First up, let's talk about the general information. The Galaxy M16 is expected to be released in 2025. It supports hybrid dual SIM cards, so you can use two numbers at once. The phone measures 160.1 by 76.8 by 9.3 millimeters and weighs 217 grams. That's pretty light for a phone with such great features. Now, let's look at the display. The Galaxy M16 has a 6.5-inch screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. This means you'll get sharp and vibrant visuals, perfect for watching videos or playing games. The screen type is a standard display, making it reliable for everyday use. Moving on to memory. The M16 comes with 128 GB of internal storage and 4 GB of RAM. If you need more space, there's a microSD slot, but it uses the same slot as the second SIM. This storage is plenty for your photos, apps, and other important files. Now, let's talk about battery life. The Galaxy M16 packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery. That's right, 6,000. This means you can go for days without needing to charge. Perfect for those long days when you're on the go. Camera lovers will appreciate the Galaxy M16 2. It features a triple camera setup with a 50MP main camera, a 5MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, there's a 13MP front camera. Both the front and back cameras can shoot video at 1080p, making them great for your social media needs. Let's check out the performance. The M16 is powered by an octa-core processor, which includes 2 high-performance cores running at 2.2 GHz and 6 energy-efficient cores at 2.0 GHz. It also has a Mali G57MC2 GPU for handling graphics smoothly. This means gaming and multitasking should be a breeze. Connectivity is key for modern smartphones, and the Galaxy M16 does not disappoint. It supports 5G, so you'll be ready for super-fast internet. You also get Bluetooth, 4G per LTE, Wi-Fi, and NFC capabilities. However, it doesn't have a radio feature, which might be a downside for some. Let's talk about the design. The M16 comes in 3 attractive colors: light blue, dark blue, and gray. These options give you a bit of personal flair to match your style. At 217 grams, it's light enough to carry around comfortably, even for long periods. While the exact price isn't available yet, the Galaxy M16 is expected to be affordable compared to other phones with similar features. With its great specs, you can expect good value for your money. The Samsung Galaxy M16 is shaping up to be a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. With its solid camera setup, massive battery, and smooth performance, it has a lot to offer for anyone looking for a new device. So, what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy M16? Are you excited to try it out when it releases? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gadget news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.